New this morning, a man was shot multiple times overnight and survived. Police say he met up with a woman he met on a dating app. The two began arguing at an apartment on Greens Parkway near Ella. Someone heard them and confronted the man, shooting him as many as 8 times. The gunman fled. Police are still looking for him. And new photos show rescuers reaching 2 stranded boaters off the coast of Jamaica Beach. The U.S. Coast Guard says a man and a woman went overboard after their boat started sinking in the intracoastal waterway that's near Galveston. It happened yesterday morning. Emergency workers spoke with that woman while she was in the water.
I'm cold, and I need you to tell me that the water is not going to make me freeze today.
They were both pulled to safety. The Coast Guard says both were wearing life jackets. And look what we spotted overnight. House of Pies closed. It's normally open 24/7, but starting today, dining inside restaurants are closed off all across Harris County to help stop the spread of COVID-19. We want to go right now to ABC13's Charlie Etsy. And Charlie, bars and clubs are shutting down completely as well.
Yeah, those restrictions set to go into place in about an hour. So dining rooms like this one going to be completely closed down. Right now we're at Katz's in Montrose, and this is all part of those restrictions that will be in place starting at 8 o'clock this morning in Harris County. Now, this is all in response to trying to slow the spread of the coronavirus. Restaurants being asked to close their dining areas and offer instead takeout only, or to just utilize the drive-through. Bars and clubs, as you just said, being asked to completely shut down. This is all going to be implemented for the next 15 days. Now, the reasoning behind this, of course, is that Americans across the country are being asked to not gather in groups larger than 10. As you said, we were at House of Pies earlier, another 24/7 restaurant. They were closed down this morning and are going to be meeting with staff later on today to figure out the next steps and how they're going to keep operating. As for Katz, the owner says he met with his team last night, and they're actually going to be launching a whole new campaign for their takeout items, and they're actually repositioning, trying to adjust to all these changes. And of course, all of this for all the rest of us mean that more people are going to be using apps like Uber Eats and Postmates for delivery. And we spoke to one of those drivers this morning who says he's been very, very busy.
So it's actually been getting a lot of orders since a lot of people aren't really going out and staying, enclosed. We're actually getting a lot of orders all night, all day.
And so a lot of restaurant owners trying to remind the public that instead of dining in, you can still order takeout. They're really wanting to make that clear here. So guys, a lot of changes and adjustments happening for everybody. In Montrose, Charlie Etsy, ABC 13 Eyewitness News.
Good morning, I'm TJ Parker at Houston City Hall, where Mayor Sylvester Turner will hold an emergency city council meeting today to extend the state local disaster in regard to the coronavirus that was issued 7 days ago. He is wanting to extend that. This all comes as we learn of the first coronavirus death in Texas and here in the Houston area. Health officials telling us they were told yesterday a Matagorda County man in his 90s died late Sunday at the Matagorda Regional Medical Center and tested positive for the virus. There are 31 cases right now across the Houston area. We talked to a local Cypress woman on FaceTime whose family is going into self-quarantine now after her mother tested positive, and she says she was shocked when the hospital released her.
My thing is, like, what are we waiting for? Are we going to wait until she gets worse? Are we going to wait until she develops pneumonia or any other side effect of this virus? Like, what happened to treatment as prevention? What happened to trying to help the person so that they get better instead of getting worse? Where's all that at?
Now, city and county leaders are working hard to bring testing here to the Houston area and Harris County as well. As for that emergency city council meeting, that is expected to start at 9 this morning here at City Hall. Reporting downtown, I'm TJ Parker, ABC 13 Eyewitness News.
Thanks, TJ. Well, self-isolation and social distancing can take a toll on your mental and emotional health as well. With school out, no doubt, our children will be affected as well. Bree Berry spoke with a psychologist about how to recognize anxiety in our children and what we can do to help.
The kids may be excited right now. An extra long spring break, yay! But the reality may set in when they don't go back to school after a few weeks. They don't get to see their friends or some family.
Because kids, they don't always have the words to describe that they're feeling anxious or scared or nervous. And so they will act out in other ways to express how they're feeling, and also just to try and get any kind of attention.
Clinical psychologist Dr. Jennifer Hughes says pay attention to behavioral changes in your child.
Any kind of change in their behavior, but especially if it's more kind of bad behavior, take a moment and create some space to be able to talk to your kid about, like, tell me what's going on. I see that you're having a big feeling.
Dr. Hughes says a couple of ways to successfully handle your child's stress during these uncertain times. Keep a schedule. Kids thrive on routine. Although it will be different than normal right now, try to create a routine they can follow while they're out of school. Have real, honest conversations about what's going on. Kids are smart and they'll sense our anxiety. Don't leave them out of the conversation. And enjoy those little moments with your family. Self-quarantine can cause stress, but it can also be a great time to create family memories that will also provide a mental break for everyone.
And that was Bree Berry reporting. Well, new this morning, Regal movie theaters across the United States are closed. They say it is a precaution amid the COVID-19 pandemic. Regal is the second largest theater chain in the country with 5 theaters in the Houston area. AMC Theaters announced it was limiting theater capacity to 50%. Meanwhile, Keith Urban was supposed to play Rodeo Houston last night, but as you know, the rodeo was canceled. So last night, he put on a live performance on social media. Yeah, yes, indeed. You can see his wife, Nicole Kidman, in the background. She provided some incredible dance moves throughout the set, and boy, that's some good music. You can actually go back and watch it too, Alita. I know you're interested.
Yeah, she stays in her lane for sure with
That's
those
it.
moves. All right, weather-wise, this morning we're dealing with a dense fog advisory. The low clouds will lift. Mostly cloudy conditions today. Some areas will be partly cloudy. Seeing a little bit more sunshine will allow temperatures to warm up into the low 80s. Unfortunately, still some bad news on the pollen ends. Oak pollen counts came in yesterday, still extremely high. We've got another update coming in later on this morning. Of course, we'll have that for you during our 11 a.m. newscast. Ash pollen's also high, and grass pollens. Afternoon temperatures somewhere in the upper 70s down along our coastal communities, 80s for the rest of the area. We're looking ahead to the end of the week. This area of low pressure that's spinning off the coast of California is going to drive those rain chances up as it sends a cold front in our direction. That frontal boundary is going to bring about some pockets of heavy rain, some scattered thunderstorms, but the heaviest of the rain should stay just to the north of the Houston area, but we could still pick up anywhere between 1 to 2 inches. So here's a look at future track. Today's weather, warm and humid. Notice this line of heavy rain and thunderstorms. It weakens as it pushes closer to our area. Overnight tonight into tomorrow morning, there could be some damp roads due to that overnight rain, but chances of rain Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday only at 20%, and then those rain chances will be building, as I mentioned, by the end of the week. By Friday morning, we could be in for a messy, a sloppy commute. Those chances for rain at 60%. Cooler conditions behind the front over the weekend, but still dealing with some wet weather. Elisa.
Metro is making some big changes. They are keeping up all their routes and hours and operating normally, but you will notice changes, especially on the busiest routes in the morning and the evening. You will see more buses with the idea that they want those buses to be less crowded, to give you an opportunity for social distancing if you are using Metro. Now, that may mean that you'll see a sign across the bus that says, please take the next one. It doesn't look full, but it's at capacity for where they want it to be in terms of giving everybody a little bit of room between you and the next person. So consider commuting if you can during off-peak hours. Sit down instead of holding onto those poles and just limit the amount of things that you touch when you get onto the Metro bus as they continue to clean and sanitize them. And then, of course, stay home if you are sick. Public transportation is a serious way that you can spread COVID-19. So if you're sick, go ahead and stay home. And if you do need to take Metro as your form of transportation, please allow for that social distancing. They are adding buses along the busiest routes in the mornings and the evenings in order to help you do that.
All right, well, thanks so much for joining us this morning. And you should know that we have everything you need here on our ABC13 mobile app. You can download it for free. And thanks so much for joining us. Have a great day, everybody.